everyone, I am teacher JB and this is still the pre-kindergarten class. Last time we studied about the domesticated animals. Again, what are domesticated animals? Very good. Domesticated animals are the kind of animals that loves to live with people. Last time I told you that today we are going to study about the wild animals. Okay, right now, I am going to teach you the wild animals. So what are wild animals? A wild animal is an animal that is wild. This means that it isn't tame and it lives on its own without any help from people. A wild animal finds its own food, shelter, water, and all its other needs in a specific natural habitat. A domesticated animal is an animal that lives with humans and the humans take care of those animals. While a wild animal can take care of its own, it doesn't need a human. They can live on their own. They find their own food, they found their own shelter, they build their own habitat. They can live on their own. That is the difference. So what animals are wild animals? Since we have different kinds of animals, we need to know what animals are considered wild. So number one is the king of the jungle. Okay, what is that? That is a lion. Very good. A lion is a wild animal. It hunts its own food. It can find their own food. It can find their own water, their own shelter. Next one, what is that? Very good. That is a tiger. A tiger is also a wild animal. Next one. What's that? Good job. That is an elephant. An elephant is a wild animal. Though we have elephants in the zoo, elephants are considered wild animal because they don't prefer to live with people. Even in the zoo, they don't live with people. They live in their cages. Okay? They don't like to be around people. Number 4, we have snakes. Very good. Snakes are wild animals. There are different kinds of snakes and different kinds of snakes vary with their habitat. There are rattlesnakes in the desert. We have sea snakes. We have snakes in the forest and they are all different from each other, but they are all a wild animal. Number 5, is that a monkey? No, that is not a monkey. That is a gorilla. Very good. And a gorilla is a wild animal. Number 6, giraffes. Giraffes are wild animals. They live in the safari. And in the picture, you can see there a mommy giraffe and a baby giraffe. Number 7, are those pigs? No, those are not pigs. Those are hippos, and hippos are wild animals. Pigs are domesticated animals, right? And hippos are not. Number 8. What's that? That is a vulture. Very good. A vulture is a wild animal, and vultures eat dead animals. They eat dead animals. That is their food. Number 9. What's that? Is that a big rabbit? No, that is a kangaroo. Very good. And kangaroos are wild animal. Can you see the baby kangaroo? Where is the baby kangaroo? Can you point? Very good. This is the baby kangaroo. And kangaroos have their pouches in their tummies and they put their babies there so that when they jump, when they go to other places, they carry their babies. And number 10, we have Okay, pandas are wild animal and pandas eat bamboos. Those are only some wild animals that we have in our presentation, but there are many more. There are lots of wild animals that you can see in the safari or in the wild. Okay. Have you been in the zoo? If you've been in the zoo, what wild animals did you see? Did you see an animal in the zoo? A wild animal? Did you see an elephant? How about a lion? If you have a picture with a wild animal on your trip to the zoo, you can share it with us. You can post a picture in our Flipgrid account or our Class Dojo classroom to share the wild experience with your classmates. Goodbye everyone. I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed a lot in our lessons. Bye!